Hello, it's Abby. Long time no see. I am back, and I am back with a shop update. I'm going to be showcasing my charms in today's video because, once they have left my hands, I will never see them again. So I would like to record proof that I have been crafting. And two, you guys can see the charms a little bit better because I struggled with taking product photos this time. I don't know. Some days it goes really well, some days it is just not fun. Let me start with these. I have 5 from this series, from this creative line. This is the Cherry Blossom Moon line. They all turned out so nice. I did struggle with them a little bit, but I figured out a good look for them. We'll look at them one by one. All of my charms have the lobster clasp and ring keychain. I had to do some quality control with the lobster clasp, but I think I chose good ones for all of them. Here are the charms though, and that's what we want to take a look at. These are all made with UV resin and assorted pigments and glitter. These are double-sided. I was very happy with this design, and I like the opaque with translucent look, so that's the first one. Here's the second one. It's pink, purple, and then we have a blue, teal, purple moon, and then the cherry blossoms. I went with a pastel pink. They turned out quite nice. I love the dangly charms. As always, please remember that these are handmade and they are delicate, so they are not meant for like rough use. Third one, we have a blue and purple cherry blossom. They are double-sided, but I don't know, sometimes one side just is the front, isn't it? I think this side's the front. And then I went with pastel butterflies and a pink moon. I had fun playing around with these colors. I think this is the Abby color line. Very happy with it. Next we have the moons that go with this line. I love the dangly cherry blossom, and I was nervous about putting opaque colors into the cherry blossoms because, I don't know, sometimes translucent and opaque, they don't go well together, but I think in this case the colors match perfectly. I'm very, very happy with this one too. And then the last one from this line is a yellow to pink moon, and then a blue to, there's a little purple, little pink cherry blossom in there. This one needs to be retouched, which I will do before shipping it out. The doming process just missed a spot there, but I'll go fix that up and it'll be perfect. I love this one. There are those. Next, we have the planets. I love how these turned out. These are, I guess, technically not double-sided, but they are translucent. This one turned out very nice with the purple and the blue. I went for kind of a galaxy look. I did some chunky glitters. We have a moon, some stars, and then I added some beads to the key ring. And all of these beaded parts were handcrafted by my friend Maud and manager Sliv, so she made some amazing combinations. You'll be seeing them on the other charms, and I think it matches perfectly. Second one, and I apologize for any glare, I decided to put a little sparkly star on the surface, and I think it turned out quite nice. It's very simple, but very spacey, galaxy, and I went with these beads. I think the silver goes really well. Is it science? Is it magic? Who knows? We have the potion bottle and the gradients in these. I am very happy with how they turned out. They're domed on the back and front, have beads and holographic decal. The next two are fairy themed, so I like to call them little potion bottles. Kind of Tinkerbelly vibes, right? With the green and the yellow. I like that. And then I went with a chunky bead. And then the last potion bottle is a orange themed one. I challenged myself to use colors that I normally wouldn't reach for, hence the green and the orange, and I think they turned out so nice. So we have the orange fairy, and this decal's really pretty, and I went with a chunky bead again. They match. So you could have a matching charm with your bestie. And finally, I am very, very proud of these. I love making my wand charms and communicating, I don't even know how to say it, but like my skill level and the time and like work that goes into making these, because I know they look simple. And I've had, you know, people say things. They're like, "Oh, I could do that. Oh, that looks easy." But I don't want to brag, but I love making gradients. I think that the two-tone's very nice too, and this finish. It took me forever to get this, and it was layer after layer and took so much patience and cleanup, and I don't know, I'm not trying to like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, guys, but I love how these turned out, and I hope they go to loving homes. Let me give you a closer look. Here is, I think this one is my favorite, the blue and purple Alice wand, and then I put a flower bead on it. The color matches perfectly. I just love these wand bezels. Last update, I did some Halloween themed ones. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get enough Halloween charms out this time. Well, actually 0. But maybe we'll have like a surprise drop later this month. We shall see. Here is the pink and purple Cheshire Cat Alice. This one I put some cabochons on, I guess if you want to call them that, embellishments. And I like the 3D look. I did manage to keep the smooth finish though, so I'm very proud of this one. And then another pretty bead. I tried to match the beads with the different charms in case people do want to get like pairs or trios for friends or family. And then this one is red and black. It's just glitter on the back, but I did dome it. You guys see that smooth finish? Very beautiful. The wands turned out so good. I'm very, very happy with them. And also, of course, I will be selling my new acrylic stands. These are a bit limited. I did a smaller order because honestly, it's been so long since I've had my shop open and I didn't know what the demand would be for these cuties, but like I said, I will be doing more stands in the future, mainly because I just want to fill my shelf with little acrylic stands of all the art that my friends have drawn for me and that I've commissioned, but also hope that you guys will enjoy as well. So yeah, first shop update in 3 years. We all have ambitions and goals, but my goal is to keep the shop open, to keep it updated, and to continue crafting because I really enjoyed making these charms. I'm very happy with how they turned out, and I hope that you guys will enjoy them as well. Anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys think of these charms. Which one was your favorite? Which color schemes, themes, patterns you liked? Which designs you like? And maybe ideas and requests for future charms. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you've missed seeing my crafty videos, fingers crossed, we'll be getting back to more of that, but also I'm very, very active on Lorian's Toy Box, where I unbox blind boxes, Japanese gacha capsules, and more collectible related things. So yeah, come check me out over there, and I will see you all next time. Bye!